In a quaint countryside, where the open fields stretch like green velvet under the azure sky, grandmother and Zara work harmoniously side by side. Zara, a spirited young girl of 13, eagerly learns the art of cultivating the land from her wise and gentle grandmother. Both wear wide-brimmed straw hats to shield against the sun's gentle but persistent rays. The field is alive with the scent of freshly turned earth and the sweet whisper of the wind through the tall grass. Grandmother, with hands rugged from years of nurturing the soil, tends to the rows of sprouting vegetables. The soil speaks to those who listen, she often tells Zara, who clings to her every word, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. Just a stone's throw away, two cows lazily graze on the lush, verdant pastures. Their serene, rhythmic chewing is a comforting background symphony to the chatter of birds. The cows are named Daisy and Clover, plump and gentle creatures, loved by Zara as much as her own kin. Zara watches them fondly between her tasks, often daydreaming about the simple joys the cows seem to embody. Look, grandmother, Zara points. Daisy and Clover seem so happy. It's as if they know the secret to life. Grandmother chuckles softly, wiping the sweat from her brow with the back of her hand. Perhaps they do, she replies, her voice as warm and nurturing as the sun that bathes the land. They take each day as it comes, with no worries for tomorrow and no regrets of yesterday. Perhaps there's wisdom in that simplicity. As the day wears on, grandmother and Zara pause for lunch under the shade of an ancient oak tree. They share sandwiches wrapped in cloth napkins, taking in the peaceful sight of the cows still grazing contentedly in the distance. The field, dotted with wildflowers and buzzing bees, hums with life. Together, they relish in the beauty of their surroundings, the bond of family, and the gentle reminder that even in the silence of nature, lessons abound. And as the sun dips lower in the sky, they return to their work with hearts full, their spirits buoyed by the simple, profound joy of a day well spent in each other's company.